5 alpha rules to make any woman chase you. Destroy her ego. Listen, warriors, it's no secret that when it comes to dating, especially for men, there is a lot more competition than we would want. Women are proposed more frequently than men ever would and could. But why are some men able to attract many women and others completely unable to attract any at all? Well, let me tell you, it is not about looks or money. It gets deeper than that. Warriors, are you tired of putting in all the effort and still coming up short with the woman you desire? Are you ready to take control of your dating life and become the alpha male that women can't resist? If so, then listen up, because I'm about to reveal the 5 alpha rules that will change the game for you. But before I reveal these powerful rules, let me ask you a question. Have you ever been out on a date and felt like you were doing all the work? Or maybe you've been in a relationship where you feel like you were giving more than you were getting in return. The problem is, you're not approaching the dating game as an alpha male. And that is where these 5 alpha rules will teach you. You see, the dating game has changed. Women today are more independent and less willing to settle for just any man. They want a real alpha male, a man who exudes confidence, power, and masculinity. And that is exactly what these 5 alpha rules will help you to become. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first rule. Rule number 1, never be always available. This is the most important rule of all. Warriors, if you are always available, she will take you for granted. You have to make it known that you are an independent man with your own life, responsibilities, and tasks to fulfill. This will make her realize that not all of your time is for her, and will make her more attracted and wanting to work harder for you. Maintaining a healthy balance between being available and not being available is essential. Women are attracted to men who have their own lives and aren't always at their beck and call. Rule 2, display leadership. Now, this is the rule that most men get wrong and confused with aggression. It is a must for men to be able to display leadership, as it is a skill that will be required in many situations. Women love men who are able to handle situations of stress or danger. It's your duty as a masculine man to show your masculine power if the situation requires it. If you don't, she will lose respect for you. Show her your relationship skills, as women are looking for the male who can offer the best survival. Don't act stressed or scared in difficult situations. Instead, think critically about how to get out of that situation and display your leadership. A true leader is someone who can take charge and handle any situation that comes his way. This is what women find irresistible in men. Rule 3, be a man with manners. Unfortunately, manners are becoming a lost art in today's society. But this is something that you can use to your advantage. The most successful men in the world are considered gentlemen. But don't confuse it with being a simp. This is not correct. Having manners is an irresistible masculine trait you need. Little things matter. Open the door for her. Walk on the closest side of the ride yourself, etc. Perform little gestures that will make you attractive and masculine. Showing that you are a man with manners will show that you respect women and that you are a true gentleman. Rule 4, be on time. This will show that you make time for things that are important to you. It also shows that you know how to prioritize and manage your time effectively. It also shows respect toward the other person, which she will find incredibly valuable. Being on time is an underrated skill, but it's needed to succeed with women. Women will notice if you're always late. It's a major turnoff for women. Showing up on time is a sign of respect, and it shows that you value their time. Being late displays a lack of maturity and respect, which will make her instantly regret going out with you. Therefore, it is key to learn how to manage your time effectively. Otherwise, you have already lost the battle without even getting a chance to fight. Rule 5. Keep your words. Warriors, don't just say things for the sake of saying them. If you don't do what you say you will do, she will lose all respect for you. As a man, your word is your bond. When you make a promise, make sure you keep it. This is how you build trust and respect with women. Don't be the guy full of empty promises. Be the man who keeps his word and follows through on his actions. When you make a promise, make sure you keep it. This is how you build trust and respect with women. Now, I know these rules may be simple, but they are powerful. They are the foundation of what it means to be an alpha male. And when you follow these rules, you will see a drastic change in how women respond to you. You will become the man that women desire, the one that they can't stop thinking about. In conclusion, these 5 alpha rules are the key to unlocking your true potential as a man and having women chase after you. Remember, never be always available. Display leadership. Be a man with manners. Be on time and keep your words. Follow these rules and you will see the difference in how women respond to you. And remember, you are a warrior. Embrace it and go out there and conquer. Don't wait any longer. Start today and become the alpha male that women can't resist. But it's important to remember that these rules aren't just about impressing women. They're about becoming the best version of yourself. When you become an alpha male that these rules describe, you will attract the right kind of woman, the ones who are looking for a real man. So warriors, put these rules into action and start seeing results. Don't be afraid to be yourself and embrace your masculinity. Remember, confidence is key, and when you truly believe in yourself and your abilities, women will too. Don't wait any longer. Start today and see the difference it makes in your dating life.